Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 8th, today we are starting from page number 12. So you are advised to open your book at page number 12, and in page number 12 we are doing the exercise of our lesson number 2, Nicholas Nickleby. So we will start from the A exercise, and we will also do the exercise B in the today's lecture. In exercise B, we are asked to complete a sentence by an adjective. So in class 7 we have already read that the adjectives, how adjectives are formed, कि adjectives कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, what is the function of adjectives, and how we use them as an adjective or as an adjective phrase. So here are some examples. First is the large car with the broken windows arrived. The small boys riding a bicycle waved to us. Next, number 3, the little girl dressed in white sang to the audience. In all three sentences, large, small और little, हमने क्या किया, हमने nouns कार, boy और girl तीनों nouns लिए और तीनों nouns को मज़ीद मॉडिफाई करने के लिए adjective को यूज़ किया है. Now we take the next examples. We also practice using adjectives to complete sentence. Above sentences में हमने इन्हें यूज़ किया था to modify and to clarify further the nouns. Now we are in the following next examples. In these examples we are not using them to modify only the noun, but these are also doing the role of an object. For example, the little boy was afraid. अब जो afraid है, it is used as an adjective and also playing the role of object. My mother seemed pleased. And the next sentence is her face turned pale. So the students, in these sentences, afraid, pleased और pale, ये ना सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्ट का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं बल्कि सेंटेंस के ऑब्जेक्ट का रोल भी प्ले कर रहे हैं. सो वी विल डू द सेम exercise A with this sequence that is given above in these next three sentences. Complete these sentences by adding adjectives. First one है John painted the door white या रेड. आपको एक एडजेक्टिव आपने यूज़ करना है एंड यू हैव टू मेक द सेंटेंस बाय एडिंग ओनली एन एडजेक्टिव. सो नेक्स्ट इज शी डाइड द ओल्ड ड्रेस. यहाँ पर भी किसी एक कलर का आपने नाम लिखना है, रेड, वाइट, ब्लैक, कोई एक लिख सकते हैं. नंबर 3, ही पुश द डोर ओपन. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4, दे फाउंड द रूम एम्प्टी. नंबर 5, प्लीज वॉश दीज प्लेट्स क्लीन. नंबर 6, टू मच सन विल मेक यू हॉट. नंबर 7, दिस फैन विल कीप यू cool. Number 8, he set the captured bird free. Number 9, eating too much will make you fat. The news made us sad. Number 11, sad ज़रूरी नहीं, आप happy भी कर सकते हैं. The news made us happy. Next number 11, my toothache is driving me mad or insane. दोनों ही पागलपन के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. mad भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं आप, insane भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Next number 12, sore throat makes our talking difficult. The door was locked, so we had to break it open. Number 14, the wheel of the bus squashed the rubber ball flat. Flat मतलब है हमवार होना. Number 15, talking to strange people made him nervous. Next exercise B. Finish these sentences by adding first an infinitive and then any other words. We have to complete these sentences by adding infinitive, and then we first of all we will explain what is infinitive. Infinitive क्या है, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म जिसे हम कहते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट. तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट को हम एज इन्फिनेटिव के तौर पे भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. इन्फिनेटिव क्या होता है, इन्फिनेटिव वही बेस फॉर्म है जो वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म होती है, बट इफ़ इट इज़ फॉलोड बाय टू, अगर ये टू की पैरवी कर रहा हो, टू के बाद यूज़ हो रहा हो, और तो हम इसे कहेंगे कि ये इन्फिनेटिव है. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में आई एम वेरी सॉरी हम यूज़ करेंगे टू हेयर. आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू हेयर द सैड न्यूज़. नंबर 2, वी आर ऑल विलिंग टू हेल्प यू इफ़ यू वांट अस टू. नंबर 3, एवरीवन वाज डिलाइटेड टू सी हिम. नंबर 4, ही सैड दैट ही वुड बी प्लीज्ड टू असिस्ट अस in he said that he would be pleased to assist us in shifting houses. या इन शिफ्टिंग हाउसेस की बजाय आप सिर्फ जस्ट देयर या हियर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नंबर 5, माई मदर वॉज ग्लैड to see my report card. Next, number 6, you will be happy to play the match. Number 7, my sister is afraid to go into a dark room all alone. To go into a dark room all alone. Number 8, we were all sad to see her go. Number 9, he was disappointed to have failed the examination. Number 10, her parents were amazed to hear of her success. Number 11, I am quite willing to come over. Number 12, my brother is very keen to get onto the team. Number 13, the teacher was shocked to read our work. Number 14, the old man was quite content to lie in bed the whole day. Number 15, we shall be surprised to see how big she has become. Number 16, his father was angry to see him cross the road. The children were excited to spot their aunt there. And number 18, the traveler was horrified to see the beast. Number 19, you are sure to miss the bus. Number 20, I am afraid that I am unable to drop you off. So dear students, in classwork you will write only the exercise A. Here are 15 sentences. You have to write only first sentences in your classwork from 1 to 9. 1 to 10 you have to write only the 10 sentences in classwork. So thank you very much with this lecture.